Good afternoon. This is Brian Splitt on Thursday, March 4th, 2011 with your closing commentary. Did have a good strong close in all the grains today. Looks like the March corn contract up 15 1/4 at 736 3/4. The new crop corn up 10 1/4 at 615 3/4. On the soybeans, May soybeans up 17 3/4 today at 1412. And new crop November up 16 3/4 at 1362 1/2. On the wheat, May Chicago wheat was up 12 1/4 today at 823 1/2, and the new crop July contract up 13 1/4 at 853. All in all, we had some pretty decent exports this morning. That really kept the market firm from the opening, and most notably, this would be the fifth straight week of 1 million ton plus exports for corn. So that's got this market remaining on the side of looking for higher highs. Also, looks like some of this rain in Brazil, whether you want to believe that that's reducing the yield potential down there or not, that is adding some support to the market from the rhetoric. We've also got rumors that China may be, again, looking to reduce their import tariffs and looking for possible delivery of soybeans during the month of May, whether it be from the United States or Argentina. Or I should say South America. So that is also adding a little bit of support to the market. And we do have the ongoing strike in Argentina adding support, although it looks like we may see a deal in the near future there. Again, this is the highest close that we've seen here for the old crop corn contract. Looks like the old crop soybeans with the push through $14 and a solid close above it, that does look technically supportive. And with the highs that we had last week, right around $13.99 1/4, and a lot of the moving averages in that area, we may expect to see some buying on some dips down around that $14 area if we do see a pullback here. Looks like the new crop wheat might need to get above this 860 area here if we are going to attract some further technical buying, so we'll watch that with the 50-day moving average there and some recent highs also at that price zone. Over to the, well, actually, let me give you the recap on what the funds did today. Looks like the funds bought approximately 10,000 contracts of corn, about 6,000 contracts of soybeans, and about 4,000 contracts of wheat. On the livestock side, we did have the hogs also higher today. A little bit of general commodity buying did support the hogs. April was up 55 at 88.80. The May contract up 102 at 98.17. And a little story there, there's support from a proposed deal reached between the United States and Mexico over the long-standing trucking dispute, so that has added some support. And maybe a little bit of spillover buying coming from the cattle markets. Did have April cattle up 2 today, $2 at 114.20, and June up 97 at 115.15. Beef exports up nearly 45% year over year, and yesterday's 113 cash trade is the highest that we've seen yet for bulk, and a little bit of 114 traded today is what we're hearing, but haven't been confirmed yet. And I would say that the drop in unemployment numbers with a higher stock market has also added support for the livestock today. And with that being said, the Dow future is currently up about 220 points. Looks like the S&P is up 25, and the NASDAQ is up about 51 points. So very strong day today in the equity markets. Dollar down 19, made some new lows for this move again, and we are approaching the contract low, so that's going to be something to watch for further commodity buying if this dollar index starts making some new lows. And crude down about 32 cents today, although that was about $1.65 off the low. And we did see notable buying just above $100 a barrel in the nearby April contract for crude oil. So all in all, a pretty good day for commodities as a whole. As far as the grains, we are going to be looking forward to the WASDE report next week. Again, that's going to be your monthly supply and demand numbers. And the big report's going to be at the end of the month, which is going to be your planning intention in the quarterly stocks. Now, Allendale is currently doing our prospective planting survey, so we'd love to have you help us out with that. Again, historically, we come very close to what the USDA gives us, and we're going to be revealing our data a little bit different this year by conducting a live webinar at 10 a.m. on March 16th. So that'll give you, as a trader or a producer, about 2 weeks to make some decisions based off of these numbers before we actually get into the USDA's numbers. So if you can, please help us out by going online at www.allendale-inc.com, or give us a call here at the office and do the survey over the phone at 1-800 to market. That's 1-800-262-7538. And good luck trading to you the rest of the week tomorrow. All right, thanks. Bye.